Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to link or connect Google Analytics to your Pay Store. So to get started, we'll quickly analysis on how you can link or connect Google Analytics to Payhip. So the first thing to do is to log into your Payhip account. Then once you are signed in already, go to settings, then click account in the top right corner, then select settings from the drop down menu. Then from there, select advanced or general depending on your UI, which is some versions have this advanced under the settings. They look for a section labeled Google Analytics or track ID. So enter your GA measurement ID. So go to analytics.google.com and find your measurement ID. Then under your Google Analytics for properties, data stream, once you have it, paste it into your Google Analytics field in Payhip, then save your changes, then click save or update. Then your store will now see the visitor status or the Google Analytics, and that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.